Good boy, Cookie. Good boy with the snow on your face. Snow on your face, Cookie. Oh. You're such a dog with snow on your face. Cookie. Good boy. Nom nom nom. Let's head back, Cookie. It looks too snowy up there. Come on, Cookie. That was a cool flyby. Hey, Cookie, come back this way. Cookie again. Alright, maybe not as cool as I thought, but the sound effects helped. They definitely helped. How can you even see it to pee on it? It's buried. Okay, Cookie. You've attracted the attention of your friends. Yeah, it's too cold for them, Cookie. They just want to bark at you from a distance. Come on. Come on, Cookie. I don't think she likes it, Cookie. Yes, that's what she was wanting. She wanted you to pee next to her and then start kicking it up. That's exactly what she was looking for. She was like, oh, I don't know if I want to lay here next to you, but, you know, if you're going to pee and kick stuff up, that really changes everything. Changes the dynamic of our relationship. Alright, this is boring.